Unlocking the secrets of the Michael B. Jordan glow-up. Are you ready to transform your life? Build an enviable physique, achieve radiant skin, and exude confidence like the Hollywood superstar himself. Join us on a journey to decode the art of glowing up like Michael B. Jordan, your ticket to a more vibrant, healthier, and more confident you. Don't miss out on the ultimate guide to your own transformative glow-up story. Glowing up like Michael B. Jordan requires dedication to both your physical and mental well-being. The actor's transformation reflects a commitment to a healthier lifestyle and an elevated sense of self. Here's how you can embark on a similar journey. 1. Fitness regimen. Glowing up like Michael B. Jordan through a fitness regimen is all about commitment and consistency. The actor's impressive physique is a result of intense workouts and a well-structured fitness routine. Start by setting achievable fitness goals that align with your body type and personal preferences. Incorporate strength training, cardiovascular exercises, and flexibility workouts into your routine. 2. Balanced diet. Nutrition plays a vital role in achieving a glowing transformation. Opt for a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water. Minimize processed foods, sugar, and excess fats. Don't forget the importance of a balanced diet to fuel your body properly. Remember, consistency is key, and with time and dedication, you can sculpt your body to exude the same confidence and vitality as Michael B. Jordan. 3. Skincare. Achieving a glow-up like Michael B. Jordan through skincare involves a dedicated routine tailored to your skin's specific needs. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities, followed by exfoliation to slough off dead skin cells. Hydration is key, so opt for a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Don't forget to apply sunscreen daily to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Consider adding serums or treatments that target your unique skin concerns, whether it's acne, aging, or uneven tone. Consistency is paramount in this journey, so stick to your skincare regimen and remember that, like Michael B. Jordan, your radiant skin will be the result of your commitment to self-care. 4. Fashion sense. Emulate his classic yet contemporary fashion choices by investing in well-fitted suits, stylish streetwear, and essential accessories. Keep an eye on current fashion trends, but don't be afraid to infuse your personal touch into your outfits. Build a collection of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. 5. Mental resilience. Mental resilience, a key element of the Michael B. Jordan glow-up journey, is the secret sauce behind his enduring success and magnetic confidence. To glow up like him, start by cultivating a strong mindset that can weather life's challenges. Embrace positivity, practice self-love, and build mental strength through mindfulness and meditation. When your mind is resilient, it radiates confidence and empowers you to tackle life's obstacles with grace. Meditation. By embracing a consistent meditation practice, you can not only nurture your mental well-being, but also radiate that inner peace and confidence he exudes. Dedicate time daily to meditation, focusing on mindfulness and self-reflection. This practice helps reduce stress, enhances self-awareness, and cultivates a positive mindset. As you evolve mentally, you'll find yourself better equipped to tackle life's challenges with grace, just like this Hollywood icon. Sleep. Sleep is a crucial element in the quest to glow up like Michael B. Jordan. The actor values his rest and ensures he gets an adequate amount of sleep each night. Quality sleep aids in muscle recovery, enhances cognitive function, and promotes healthy skin. To follow in his footsteps, prioritize a consistent sleep schedule of 7 to 9 hours each night. Invest in a comfortable mattress and create a relaxing bedtime routine. In the grand finale of your journey to glow up like Michael B. Jordan, remember that the true essence of transformation lies in becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the confidence, the charisma, and the determination that make you unique. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.